Singer? Already earning using these 5 specific and exclusive passive income ideas? Know their success rates, success factors, steps, and websites to use. Sorted in increasing success rate. Idea 1 of 5. Backing vocals on beat-selling platforms. Think of it as anonymous fame. Beat-selling platforms offer instrumental tracks for producers and artists. Record yourself singing hooks, harmonies, or even full backup vocals for these beats. Each time someone uses your vocals in their song, you earn a small royalty. Success rate 20%. Emphasize on high-quality recordings, diverse vocal styles, and clear communication about usage rights. Step 1. Research beat-selling platforms. Step 2. Record high-quality vocal tracks for various genres. Step 3. Create enticing titles and descriptions for each vocal sample. Step 4. Upload your vocals with clear usage rights. Step 5. Promote your work on social media and singer forums. Websites to use: Airbit, BeatStars, and Tracklib. Idea 2 of 5. Sync licensing for film and TVs. Imagine your voice on the big screen. Sync licensing allows your music to be used in movies, shows, commercials, and even video games. Royalties can be substantial, and exposure is fantastic. Success rate 30%. Emphasize on creating diverse, high-quality songs with catchy hooks and emotional resonance. Step 1. Research music licensing companies. Step 2. Craft a library of diverse, well-produced songs. Step 3. Partner with a music licensing company or pitch your songs directly. Step 4. Tag your songs with relevant keywords for searchability. Step 5. Network with music supervisors and filmmakers. Idea 3 of 5. Sell vocal presets and samples. Got a signature sound? Package your vocal chops as downloadable presets and samples. Producers love adding unique vocal textures to their music. Success rate 40%. Emphasize on creating unique, high-quality vocal samples across genres, from chops and ad-libs to affected loops. Step 1. Experiment and record a variety of vocal samples. Step 2. Process and format your samples into industry-standard formats. Step 3. Design eye-catching product pages with clear descriptions. Step 4. Sell your vocal samples on online marketplaces. Step 5. Promote your products on social media and music production forums. Websites to use: Splice, Loopmasters, and Producer Dojo. Idea 4 of 5. Create vocal acapella cover songs. This is a win-win. Fans get amazing acapella versions of their favorite songs, and you earn royalties every time someone downloads or streams your work. Success rate 50%. Emphasize on choosing popular songs with strong vocal melodies and delivering top-notch acapella performances. Step 1. Research popular songs with strong vocal melodies. Step 2. Record high-quality acapella versions of these songs. Step 3. Partner with music distributors or upload directly to streaming platforms. Step 4. Promote your acapella covers on social media and music channels. Step 5. Consider offering exclusive content to paying subscribers. Idea 5 of 5. Launch a subscription-based singing course. Share your vocal expertise. Create a comprehensive online course teaching aspiring singers your techniques and tips. Earn recurring income through monthly subscriptions. Success rate 60%. Emphasize on in-depth knowledge of vocal techniques, engaging instruction style, and high-quality course production. Step 1. Outline your singing course curriculum. Step 2. Record high-quality video lessons with clear explanations and demonstrations. Step 3. Choose a user-friendly platform to host your online course. Step 4. Set up a subscription system for monthly access. Step 5. Promote your course on social media and Singer communities. Want such specific online income opportunities for computer science engineers? Here's the video. Also, these tools boost your business.